Let me come and share with you guys a smart move. You guys know I'm growing my hair, right? I'm growing my natural hair. So this is the shampoo I normally use for the kids' hair and also my hair. But since I started growing my natural hair, I have this like a lazy wash day routine kind of thing where I wash my hair first, detangle, and then I put a conditioner. I purchased this conditioner. I put one of these two, and then I leave it in, and then I take shower, and then after shower, all I do is I just bend down my head like this underneath the shower, because I don't want the conditioner to touch my body, because of course I have a sensitive skin. With the shampoo touching my skin, I'm going to take a shower and wash it off. But with the conditioner touching my skin, I've noticed that if the conditioner touches my skin and I don't properly wash it, I get like skin reaction. I don't know. Something I've noticed long time ago. So because I'm doing this lazy girl shower thing, lazy girl hair day, I wash my hair with shampoo, and then I will rinse it out, and then I'll put a conditioner, and then I'll take a shower. When it's time for me to wash the hair, after taking a shower, brushing my teeth, washing my face, do everything, I'll just bend down like this, and then I'll wash the conditioner out so that the water of the conditioner is not touching my skin. It only comes to my neck hair, and then later I'll take shampoo and then wash my neck and then clean everything. But because of this shampoo is in this container, it's a bit difficult to use. So I just recently finished using the ordinary glycolic acid, and I thought, hey, 2026, I'm working smart. I'm not working hard, I'm working smart. So I put the shampoo in here, and I put it behind the kids shower oil. So you just put, and then just for me it's easy, press it like this into your hair, and then easy to wash. But I've picked up some products also for my natural hair. I pick up the Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner. I also pick up the Shea Moisture hair mask. I also pick up the Shea Moisture conditioner as well, because of some of their products. And then today I was like, okay, let me pick up the Shea Moisture shampoo, because I thought I already have a shampoo. I don't want to use another shampoo. And I thought let me just pick up the shampoo as well, so I have the complete set. So I was like, okay, how am I going to do with the shampoo and washing my hair? I thought, hey, if I can remove this, okay, and remove this, I'm just testing. We're testing, okay? I'm like, bam. It works. It works. If you have the ordinary glycolic acid, you have it, just use the cover to I'm so happy it works. You can use it, and it makes application much more easier. Not only for me, for the kids, because listen, if I'm gonna grow this natural hair thing, we're gonna find a way to do it smoothly, because if not, you know me, I'm gonna chop the hair off again. I'm not joking. I don't have any time, any energy for anything that's gonna stress my life this year. So I'll just cut it off. But I'm like, let's try. And I tried it, and it works. It works. It works. Use your glycolic acid container cover, bottle cover, I don't know. Use it if you have the Shea Moisture shampoos. I think it even works with the conditioner as well, but the conditioner, I like it like this. I like the pump thing. But with the shampoo, it works. It works. I know you guys are gonna be like, this girl, this is crazy. But it works. It works. Because I was thinking, how am I gonna use this thing? Like, put it here, press. How am I gonna get this into my scalp? Like, because sometimes I really like to wash my scalp really, really good. I want the product to be on my scalp like this. I want to open my scalp and then put the oil and put the shampoo and just really go in like this and scrub it. I'm like, how am I gonna do it with this? I just said, let me try, and I just tried it, and it worked. And I thought, let me come and share with you guys. Hey, we've been smart move. It's so funny. Yeah. I wanted to throw this container, and I was like, nah, don't throw it away, Ami. And it works. And I thought today, let me just pick up this one up, and it works. I picked two shampoo because, yeah, I picked 2 of them. I picked it at the ATOS. They're having massive sales. I picked 2 of the shampoos. I picked 2 of the leave-in conditioner. I pick up 3 of the hair mask because I really want to focus on my natural hair. Normally I like to do my own DIY, which I'm still going to do my DIY, but for the days that where I don't really have time, I like using this one. I like it. This is not the only hair mask. I also picked this one from this brand. I think I only have one. And then I also have, what is this? Oh, I have 4 of the hair mask. I didn't know. I have one just, okay, I think this one is what I use on my daughter's hair. I have 4. So I also pick up this one from this brand, which I really, really like. It's really, really amazing. I'm really trying to like work on this natural hair thing, which is really, really good. I love it. And also I have my own DIY shea butter and beef tallow, which I DIY myself, which I really, really love. So definitely I'm using all of this. This conditioner and the hair mask is for the days where I'm just feeling lazy. I don't feel like doing anything, and I'm using those ones, which is amazing. So yeah, if you have the glycolic acid container, just remove the cover and put it on your shea moisture conditioner shampoo. It makes application very, very easy. I love it. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so just want to come and share with you guys. I know I'm being silly, but I don't know, maybe there's somebody who doesn't know about this. I thought let me just share with you guys.